Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to game share on your PS5. Game sharing lets you share your digital PS5 and PS4 games, as well as your PlayStation Plus benefits, with another PS5 console. Before we begin, there are two important things to keep in mind. First, game sharing only works with digital games. Physical disc games cannot be shared this way. You'll need to lend the disc instead. Second, this tutorial assumes you're sharing your games with a friend. If you want your friend to share their games with you, they'll need to follow the same steps on their own console. Now, let's get started. The first step is to sign in to the PlayStation account that owns the games you want to share. Next, go to Settings, then Users and Accounts. Scroll down to Other, and select Console Sharing and Offline Play. If console sharing is currently enabled on your PS5, select Disable. If it's already disabled, you don't need to change anything. Disabling this feature removes your PS5 as the primary console for your account, meaning only your account will be able to access your purchased games on that console. Once you've done that, you're finished on your own PS5. Now move over to your friend's PS5. On your friend's console, select Add User and sign in using your PlayStation account. After signing in, go to Settings, Users and Accounts, Other, Console Sharing and Offline Play. This time, select Enable. This sets your account as the primary account on your friend's PS5, allowing them to access and download your digital games. I also recommend restoring your licenses after enabling console sharing. To do this, go back to Users and Accounts, select Other, then choose Restore Licenses. This helps fix any ownership or game access issues that may occur. Once the licenses have been restored, return to the home screen while still signed in to your account. Open the game library, and your friend will be able to browse and download any eligible game from your collection. After the games are installed, your friend can switch back to their own PlayStation account and play them normally. As long as your account remains on their console with console sharing enabled, both of you can even play the same game at the same time on your own PS5 consoles. This also works with PlayStation Plus. If you have an active PlayStation Plus subscription, your friend can enjoy online multiplayer and other shared benefits using their own account on their console. And that's it. That's how you can game share on PS5. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more PlayStation tips and guides. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.